thing that we have to understand is that God wants nothing but the best
The very
for
best.
fine is the one to give it to you more than you yourself. So
You think you did that?
you are not the one making these things happen.
Right.
But I can tell you for sure that his offerings to you, to me, to Gil, to our boss lady, it's beautiful. There's nothing in there that God offers us that is trash.
Right.
There's nothing he offers us that is no good, but we don't trust him enough to allow him to lead us. And let me tell you something. After this last debacle, I was isolated. Every person, everything that I was around, hanging around, was what? Gone. Except those people that he thought should still stay there. And those people are still here today.
Mhm.
But not only did he know best for me and what he had for me, he started maneuvering things and I was paying attention and I had to put the checkerboard down and allow God to put his chessboard on the table and move the, well, I don't know what those things are called.
The thing.
Pieces.
The pieces.
I don't know.
The thingy thing.
I had to let him do what he does. The little castle, the queen, the horse, whatever all that is. I don't know the name of it. Maybe I'll go look it up. So next time I'll be informed. But allow him to do what he does.